Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mission Not So Impossible. This week I'm bringing you some Dollar General deals for Saturday, November 29th. You can do these deals any day of the week. You're just going to save the most money on Saturday with the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. So let's go ahead and get into the deals. First, you want to pick up one of the Febreze Air Mist, the holiday scents. They are $3.50. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $1.50. Just make sure you're scanning this item to make sure that the coupon is attaching to the correct item. Next, you want to pick up one of the Febreze Small Space for $3.50. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $1.50. Next, you want to pick up one of the large bottles of the All Free and Clear laundry detergent that is $12. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $9. Next, you want to pick up one of the Snuggle fabric softeners. They're on sale this week for $3.75. We have a $1.25 coupon, making it $2.50. And then we have a store coupon this week for when you spend $15 on select laundry care items, you're going to save an additional $3. So with the All and the Snuggle, we are at $15.75. So we do qualify for that $3 to come off. So just make sure you clip that store coupon. Next, you want to pick up one of the Puffs tissues for $5.95. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $4.95. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $28.70 plus tax. So then we have that $3 coming off for the spend 15 on laundry care. So that makes our total $25.70. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have $9.25 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $11.45 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Skintimate razors for $6. Next, you want to pick up one of the Skintimate gels for $4.25. So our total for both of those items is $10.25. We have a store coupon this week for when you spend $10 on razors or shave gel, you're going to save $5. So that's going to make our total $5.25. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Suave shampoo or conditioner that are $2 each. 2 of them would be $4. We have a $1 off store coupon, making it $3. Next, you want to pick up one of the Crest 3D white toothpaste for $3. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $1. Next, you want to pick up one of the Oral-B flosser picks for $4. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $2. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Colgate mouthwash for $5 each. 2 of them would be $10. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $7. So the total for all of these items before coupons is $31.25 plus tax. So then we have $6 in store coupons coming off, making our total $25.25. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have $7 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $13.25 plus tax for all 8 items. So for this deal, we have a store coupon for when you buy 4 of the select Gain laundry products. They're going to be $12 or $3 a piece. So you can mix and match or you can get all of the same. Some of the qualifying items are the laundry pods, the fabric softener sheets, or the scent beads. Just make sure you're scanning the items to make sure they attach to this coupon. Next, you want to get one of the Airwick Mist kits. They are on sale for $11. We have a $6 off coupon, making it $5. Next, you want to pick up one of the Palmolive dish soaps for $2.75. We have a $1.50 coupon, making it $1.25. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $25.75 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $7.50 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $13.25 plus tax for all 6 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 3 of the Coke products, the 12 packs. You can either mix and match or get all of the same. They are on sale 3 for $15. We have a $2 off store coupon, making it $13. Next, you want to pick up 4 bags of the Lay's potato chips. They are buy 2, get 2 free this week, so that's going to make them $7.90 for all 4 bags. Next, you want to pick up one of the Miracle Whip. They are on sale this week for $4.95. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $2.95. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $27.85 plus tax. So then we have that $2 off store coupon coming off for the soda, making our total $25.85. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have a $2 manufacturer coupon, making our total $18.85 plus tax for all 8 items. So for this next deal, 2 liters of Coke products are on sale 3 for $5. I'm going to be picking up 6 of them for $10. We have a $2 off store coupon, making it $8. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Dove limited edition holiday body scrubs. They are $5 each. 2 of them would be $10. We have a $5 off coupon, making it $5. Now, the 2 that I'm picking up are not the correct ones. My store didn't have them. I'm just picking them up for the video. Make sure you're scanning the correct items to make sure they're attaching to the correct coupon. Next, I'm going to be picking up 2 of the Jello cheesecake. They are on sale 2 for $6. We have a $2 off store coupon, making it $4. Next, you want to pick up one of the Hellman's mayonnaise for $5. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $31 plus tax. So then we have $4 in store coupons coming off, making our total $27. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have $7 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $15 plus tax for all 11 items. So then here are some of the items that are going to be on sale this week, Thursday through Saturday. You could add these into a deal, or you could just buy them on their own. There's just a few deals that I thought were worth pointing out. Comfort Bay blankets and throws are going to be 50% off. They're normally priced $8 to $30, so that's some pretty good savings. The Toastmaster appliances are going to be on sale for $8. The Pyrex food containers are going to be on sale for $10 this week. Their normal price is $20. Glad trash bags that are normally priced $5.95 are going to be on sale for $4.95. This Mr. Clean spin mop that is normally priced $26 is on sale for $15. Alright, so that's all that I have for you this week. Hopefully you can kind of take a look at these deals, mix and match, and build a deal that works best for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos I have coming out in the future. I am so thankful for each and every one of you. Thank you all to the ones that have subscribed, the ones that comment, the ones that share my videos. I appreciate you all so much. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!